He told revere women folks of Manipur for their active roles in resolving various social issues on 21st Maira Paibi Day observance. Education ex-Director T.H. Kiran Kumar calls for advocacy to control the diarrhea in state. Launch of nationwide IDCF campaign today. And Veterinary Director Dr. H. Chauboy appeals to contact a veterinary hospital in times of livestock medical emergency. A very good evening to you all. You are watching Primetime English News. I'm Colonel Sambandaram presenting you the updates of the news. Maira Paibi Day Observation Committee held the 21st Maira Paibi Day observance at the Tharo Devi ground in the Khurai Shalangthong today. Speaking in the event, a professor of the Political Science Department of Manipur University, Khetri Bimola, asserted that it is high time for Maira Paibis and women folks of the state to take a firm stand to ensure a disciplined society. He claimed that if not for the Maira Paibi revolution, there would have been insurmountable incident of crimes in the state. Speaking on the sideline, Amuko President P.H. Devent launched loaded women folks of the state for their active roles in resolving various issues of the state right from the Nupilal movement.
Domestic violence, Siva, Haba, Mayam Sida, Api Maya Pibusina Sina, Sansale, Haikana, Punaiba, Kopiba, Tataba, Persinasia, Topunaba, Tumputaba, Yana, Pagaliba, Yana, Tuba, and the Sanamini.
I put Punai Lady Bokaya, Canada Bayaway. I put a machine wakalon Putoganda, Langa Asina, Toy the boy tardy, Nam the boy tardy, a quick carito, the gadget. In my bench, Mam the Lynching Biriba, Civil Society the Ladiba, Nians in Tigam the Ladiba, looking like when a Kanawagi Matamado, Yore hygienic.
Tree saplings were planted in various places in the state on the occasion of 21st Maira Paibi Day today. Aimol Village Development Committee, Loktak Project under banner of Poire Leimerol Maira Paibi Apunbalut planted tree sapling at Aimol Village. Women's Society of Purum Khulain in the Kangpokpi district also planted tree saplings in the village, while Sagang Area Development Organization planted tree saplings at Sagang. President of NEIDP, Northeast India Development Party Central Working Committee, Ngarengbam Samarjit, congratulated all the recently elected MPs of Northeast State in the 17th Lok Sabha election. Speaking to media at his residence in Tera today, Samarjit expressed gratitude to all those people who voted for NEIDP candidate in the recent election. He also appealed to all the party units in the Northeast State, including Manipur, not to release any press note or hold any press meet without the consent of NEIDP CWC President.
Karigumba press note ama thokpa tangai padana mathau tare haibataragadi Central Working Committee Northeast India Development Party gi present aman oina lejariba ayak isamaki ayaba hana lawbiyu karigumba aigi ayaba yaudana press meet amata thokpigano karigumba statement amata thokpigano haibasi aina masi appeal tawjabani.
Nationwide intensified diarrhea-controlled fortnight IDCF campaign kick-off in the state today. State Health Society and HM Manipur organized the event at Jennings Conference Hall. Speaking in the event, Director of Education S. T.H. Kiran Kumar stressed on the need for advocacy to control diarrhea. He also announced that the State Education Department will conduct hand-washing competition to raise awareness among children on the importance of clean hands to ward off diarrhea. Kiran Kumar also called upon the Education Department, the Social Welfare Department and the PHED Department to be a part of a diarrhea control mechanism and collaborate with the Health Department. Speaking in the event, Director of Social Welfare Department N.G. Uttam urged Angalwadi workers to take active roles in making the fortnight campaign a success. He also appealed to parents to aware their children on precautionary measures against diarrhea. JANIM's Director Professor T.H. Bhimo, State Mission Director State Health Society, National Health Mission Director Dr. S. Manikanta and many people attended the event where demonstrations were held on hand washing and preparation of oral rehydration solution.
Diarrhea naraga matung pokpa ngai diarrhea naroi da badi leitabanina advocacy si raga hena focus piragadi control tawbada yamna chauna mateng pangani adu department asu hena advocacy si emphasis piba khatana tana prajana pamba karamba makhangi advocacy si pamge angang macha mayam dadi mobile gumbagi da lakwa advocacy du yamna attractive oiramba yai ahal manjing di lila drama hapsan give the attractive oiramba. So we have to see for what kind of advocacy program is hitting that particular group of people. Aduna adugumba akoigi potu khanga ka the impact will be much higher.
IDCF campaign 2019 also kicked off in the Thoubal district today. Chief Medical Officer Eld Jayant Kumar launched the campaign at Thoubal Khetri Lekai High School. Electoral powered packets were distributed to the attending children. Chief Medical Officer of Technopult, Dr. Lal Thari Hamar, also launched IDCF campaign 2019 in Technopult district today. District Health Society Technopult organized the event under State Health Mission at DC office conference hold. Technopult District Immunization Officer Dr. K.H. Gojain, SDO Technopult Bobby, Inspector of Schools A.I. Hussain Ali, Social Welfare Officer W. Dhanavati, CDPO Technopult S. Devata, Medical in charge of PHED Department, doctors of Technopult District, PHCs and students of St. Peter's School were present on the occasion. Expert enlightened the attendees on how to administer zinc tablet and oral rehydration solutions to control diarrhea in the event. One-day discussion on the folk and indigenous healing practices in Manipur was held at Manipur University Committee Room today. Outerpost India Foundation, AIF, Indira Gandhi National Center for Arts, IGNCA Center for Study of Social Exclusion and Inclusive Policy, CSSEIP, Manipur University jointly organized the event. VC in charge of Manipur University, Professor Amar Yumnam, Padma Shri awardee Laishram Navakishore, founder of Outerpost India Foundation, AIF, Dr. Sunita Reddy, Professor P. Kumar Singh of Department of Life Science, Manipur University, and President of Old Manipur, Maiba Maibi Furup, Tombiraj were among those present in the discussion meet. Speaking on the occasion, AIF founder Dr. Sunita Reddy stressed the need to preserve and pass on the age-old traditional healing practices to upcoming generations. Speaking to media, readers of CSSEIP, Dr. T.H. Varat stated that the workshop was organized in view of the urgent need to conserve and preserve traditional healing practices.
Puwari digi lerak koigi traditional healing practice system koigi ojaba koigi uwa digi phangba sare phangba manamasing mayam sina koigi anabasi phan bangam bagi sugumba system sugumba skill mayam si mangdarakba mutharakbasi masidagi amokhan akoina kalawna ba hairiba koigi traditional healing practices ki oiba koina literature amasing semgatlaga masibo koina ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯟꯖꯔꯕ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯖꯥꯔꯕ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯇꯨꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯖꯦꯅꯦꯔꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯡꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯅꯥꯕ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯜꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯨꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯕꯅꯤ.
Volunteers of All India Students Federation AISF Manipur State Unit said a blast imported China-made mobile phone accessories today. Phone accessories worth about 2 lakh rupees were confiscated from the mobile phone shops in and around Roop Mahal Theatre. Speaking to media, AISF Manipur State Unit State Secretary K.H. Rameswar stated that the drive was carried out upon receiving complaint that the chiefed mobile accessories were sold at high rate in the shops. He also appealed to buy only BIS recognized mobile phone batteries.
Manipur Miam da Hoi Mapandagi Lakpan and Manipuri Singjina Hoigi Namjan Nam Tek Tora Hoigi Sentan Miki Chanabisi Matam Kayadagi Chanadran Lai ASF Hoigi drive Tim Galoina Hoinasina Dukan Singjidagi Hoigi Chinese mobile Adagi Hoigi charger headphone Ada Hoi Kudimaxi Hoina Hagala Matunda high river Tabak Tong Sing Makata and Asidi Amona Towayaroi Haibiki Pandam da Hoina Asirumon Tengi Hoi Lampaxi the Hoi Mai Taduna ASF ki volunteers sing Mangan Jabani, Dukanama Pambagi mobile Dukalama Hambagi, Sabsaba one talk late and a hang liver singer sa, as Simon Council, my Kaki Puntins and Zarena.
Students' Emancipation Day Observation Committee held 30 Students' Emancipation Day observance at the Moirang Multipurpose Higher Secondary School today. The day recalled the students' movement of 1979 in the state, carried out in demand for adequate infrastructure and government schools, where 2 students, Urikinbam Kelend and Kumam Sarat, were killed and many students were injured in the police encounter. Star Women Association held one-day orientation program on the drug abuse at Singjamai Waikum Laikai basketball ground today. Speaking in the event, the head of the Psychiatry Department, Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, Professor Dr. R.K. Lenin, expressed apprehension that youths in the age group of 10 to 17 years often abuse drugs, as revealed by a national survey conducted by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment.
Masagi talent utok na bahona bada angak pa phangba achievement mayam ma khoina sports ki lamda academics ki lamda culture ki lamda loina mak se khoina u phange adubu yamlaba naharol kaya amadi akhoi nesagi chacheng sina phangbadagi masana yaningna natraga khangdabina mamanabagi influence tagi natraga tongan maram kaya dagi makhoi si nesagi langda thur huidin maram orakanda masada leijariba talent mayam ma malem sida masak thokpa thabak ama tawba ngamjaram gadaba kaya ama mangki base khoi yamna pukning sokningai ni.
State Veterinary Department says it has enough stock of medicines and vaccines for domesticated livestock. We will be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You are watching Prime Time English News. State Veterinary Department has adequate stock of medicine and vaccines for domesticated livestock. Veterinary Director Dr. H. Chauba appealed to contact the veterinary hospital in Sanjentong or hospitals at every district headquarters in times of livestock medical emergencies. He mentioned that the veterinary department has vaccinated around 70 animals against foot and mouth diseases. In short, FMD, 65 animals against black quarter, HQ, and hemorrhagic septicemia HS, 80 animals against classic swine fever, and many animals against avian reoviruses ARV. Speaking to media at the Directorate Office in Sanjentong today, Dr. H. Chauba asserted that the department has adequate medicine and logistic equipment in stock for utilizing in times of emergency and epidemics. He also disclosed that the procurement of an ultrasound machine is underway.
Black water jog jog lawigi vaccine sima kaptok piu hemorrhagic septicemia hariba khaupo maga nuksa sor honba warga laihu torga siba masima leidi foot and mouth disease sin mari makhong na bai tangai phadana laina ahum simadi farmer sing sin pha bubiraga kaptok piu aduga yenda koina ranicate haiba epidemic form da ranicate haiba si koi India da ranicate na khangna bani tai mafam da di Newcastle disease hai khangne masidi naraga di koina kanba dungamdre sama da sama dum sire nadringe de tika se anirak thabiga dobuni doubling farmers income by 2022 haibasida koi ok loiraga sal loiraga tongan ba veterinary ga mari lenaba sinfam singsi integrated farming system da tawda koi doubling the nate triple times 4 times income se phangbangamuni.
Taking part in the press meet, Joint Director Planning of Husbandry Services, Dr. C.H. Nandakishore asserted that under the Veterinary Directorate, proper precautionary measures are being undertaken to ensure health and well-being of domesticated livestock. He appealed to vaccinate one's domesticated animals one time for their well-being.
Handak sehigi oina hoi 2019-20 gi oina akoina kapsari basi anti-rabies vaccine da 45,000 BQHS ke combine adagi FMD kapsari basi mathang sinna lising humfu manga FMD gi damakta koi lising humtra hena kapsakre classical swine fever heba vaccine si nearly akoi 80,000 mukta akoi kapsar bani huji adu yen gi amadi yen gi damakta makhal makha ke agi vaccine sing asidi koi masing thiba ngamdre haidi asu lakh ki mathakta hena kapsare koi target asi tha amani sigi manungda hena achieve tawduna whole livestock population Manipur da leiba punama se cover to bangang mani haifi koi department sigi thaja jabani.
A training program on the pig rearing was held at the community hall of Kwatha village and the Mori subdivision today. Yango Pokpi Lokchao Wildlife Sanctuary, Technopole District, Manipur and Integrated Rural Development and Educational Organization IRDEO Manipur jointly organized the program under the Age of Integrated Development of Wildlife Habitat 2018-19, the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India, New Delhi. Experts trace on how to rear pigs to 26 women participated in the program. Additional Principal Chief Conservator of the Forest, Anurag Bajpai, distributed piglets to participants of the training program and further assured to do the same in other villages in near future. State Bank of India Regional Business Office Infal held a mega customer meet at the hold of a College Road Youth Development Association in Singchumai today. General Manager of Network 2 of SBI Northeast Circled, Digmanu Gupta, AGM of SBI Infal Branch Girind Sharma, top SBI officials and many customers attended the event. Speaking on the sideline, Digmanu Gupta stated that the camp aims to get customers' suggestions and feedbacks to bring enhancement in the banking procedure. He expressed contentment that relations between SBI staff and customers in the state has increased and that customers have given positive feedback on their services.
What we are suggesting our customers also, our branches also, to migrate maximum educated customer to a digital platform. So we have got around 65,000 ATMs also. From there they can withdraw. We have got the cash deposit machines also. People can come and anytime they can deposit also there. So this is our endeavor, opening of many more CSPs and digital platform. Attitude of our staff has changed a lot for the last 10 or 20 years, especially in Manipur. People are giving service with smile and they have got the right attitude to serve their customers.
Joint Action Committee against the shifting of a Bailey Bridge construction site from Loshangkong of Infal East has strongly condemned shifting the construction site of the bridge. Speaking to media at the Manipur Press Club today, Joint Action Committee convener H. Syamananda stated that after declaring e-tender, the state government laid a foundation stone on May 6 this year for constructions of the 3.20-kilometer long Bailey Bridge on Iril River at Loksangkhong under PMGSY Phase 11 B2 as approved by the relevant ministry on December 29, 2017. He condemned the relevant department staff sifted the bridge construction site from Loksangkhong to Huidrom sector. Syamananda urged the relevant authorities not to shift the site, failing which warns of intense agitation by the JAC.
Ministry na yare haidna koi clearance letter pe tan yaw la basumba thong asi kari maramgi atopa mafam amadamu hongdolaga sagadribno department gi mage digi koi bu thoi bidadna mage chi praja singbu thoi bidadna sumnam thasonda haijab tare masi thong asi hariba atopa mafam misda hongdolaga sagib taragadi akoi makha tana praja miyam ga loinaraga akoi jesina atopa ain gi mateng lawba du atopa khongjang sing mari lena khongjang sing jangsilagani aduga akoi mari lena ba department sing dasu akoi wakalagani
Mafogdam wrote a Chingtam Action Committee in a press release warned of intense agitation, including closure of Mafogdam by 3rd of June if the authority concerned failed to repair Napit Pali to Mafogdam Road at the earliest. Acting on a tip of regarding illicit activities going on at hotel in Imphal City, Imphal West Commando team conducted cordon and search operation at hotels in the Thangal Bazaar and Pongna Bazaar today. The team, under the supervision of additional SP Operation Imphal West Police Aribam Ghanashyam, carried out search drive at Hotel Prince, Hotel Embassy, Nirand Lodge, Hotel Polo and Hotel Avenue from 12:15 p.m. till 12:35 p.m. No arrest was made during the drive. Technopal police arrested 2 persons for illegal transportation of stolen vehicles from Imphal to Tammu yesterday. The arrested persons are identified as 27-year-old Kaisham Amarjit, son of late K. Mohon from Yairipok Vishnu Naha Awangleikai, and 19-year-old Kaisham Dhanashwar, son of K. Rupa from Yairipok Vishnu Naha Awangleikai. One Royal Enfield Classic 500 carbon black in color, one Royal Enfield Classic 350 black in color, and fake RC books were confiscated from them. A case has been registered for investigation. Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at headlines once again. People revere women's folks of Manipur for their active roles in resolving various social issues on the 21st Mairapaibi Day observance. Education S Director T.H. Kiran Kumar calls for advocacy to control diarrhea in state launch of a nationwide IDCF campaign today. And a veterinary director, Dr. H. Chauba, appeals to contact a veterinary hospital in times of livestock medical emergency.